What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, y'all? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and welcome to my channel. Today, my loves, I'm going to be doing my Ipsy PR box unboxing. Yeah, that made sense. So you guys can see what you can look forward to in the month of March already, girl. So if you're interested in seeing what Ipsy sent over in PR, baby, stay right there because this is a bonus video for that ass, boo. Oh, before I forget, I know you already liked, shared, and subscribed, right? I know you did. Thank you. All right, loves, as I said in the intro, welcome. This is simply Tonyanicole. I know y'all saw the name change. Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you a sneak peek of what you can expect in your Ipsy Glam bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of March. Yesterday, which I'm filming this on the 3rd of March, so yesterday was choice. Choices were like, So I'm hoping that my PR box is a little better. So if you're interested, stay tuned because we're starting now. Oops. So this is the box that it comes in, guys. It's a big pink box. And let me open her up. That's what she's looking like on the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything out so we could just get this on and cackalacken, baby. The theme for the month is Ipsy Power Moves. On the inside of the card is just some FYI, little information. So yeah, without further ado, let's get that glam bag on and poppin'. Boo, y'all see I got some wine. A dance break, ooh. And this is the bag for the Glam bag. This one is the $13 per month bag, guys. You get 5 deluxe sample size products with the occasional full size product in here. And we're just gonna pull out, baby, and see what we got. So up first we have, this is gonna be super quick too, guys. From IT Cosmetics, the Superhero Mascara. This is literally my favorite mascara. It is so good. If you have struggling lashes like your girl, this baby is what you need. This is a little deluxe size right here. Let me show you guys the wand. That wand makes your eyelashes pop. I'm telling you, this is my favorite. So I'm very happy to see this. I wish it was full size though, but this is our first product, loves. And then we have from Ciate London, this Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow right here. It's in the shade Dewdrop. Alrighty. And this is the little tube that it comes in. I'm gonna open it up, put a little bit on the back of my hand. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Let me just kind of blend it out. I have a heat rash on my hands, guys, girl. Whenever I get into the sun, my hands just break out terribly. But this is a beautiful color. You can't really see it, but it's like a hint of rosiness. So I'm definitely gonna test this out in one of my upcoming tutorials, which I hope you guys have been enjoying because I have personally been enjoying them a lot. Then we have from Pure Brazilian. This is a daily anti-frizz serum for your hair right here. Nice little deluxe size. Ooh, it smells really good. You get 29.5 milliliters of product. That's what it looks like. I can definitely use this on my wigs to keep them under control because sometimes they be like extra frizzy. Girl, I don't know why. And then, oh, this little bitty First Aid Beauty, what is this? Hydrating eye cream right here. So you know you just need a little bit of this eye cream, but I mean, this is like a teeny sample, but I will use it because I love eye creams since I get like 1,000 of them in a box every month. Well, no, I don't get boxes too much anymore, but I'm still using them from previous boxes. And then last but not least in our little baggie, we have from Kinship, the Super Melt Vegan Jelly Lip Mask right here. I am excited for this. I have had extra dry lips lately and it's not cute. This is how it looks, guys. And when we open it up, oh, I love that. It's like a little flat thing here. Smells like nothing, but it's like a nice thick lip balm. I love it. And we got these 5 right here, my loves. I'll give my final thoughts towards the end. Now let's move to the Plus. This is a little baggie for the Glam Bag Plus. You get 5 full-size items in this bag. Has a retail value of $120 or more. You do get to customize 3 products from the Glam Bag Plus and 1 product from the Glam Bag. And this one is $28 a month. The little bag this month is cute, the little drawstring. I can use it for all kinds of stuff, really. So we're just gonna pull out what we see first. First up is from Alley-Oop. This is a multi-tasker 4-in-1 makeup brush right here. Vegan, latex, cruelty-free. All right, let's see. I did see this as one of my choice items. I did not pick it, and I'm glad I didn't because I got it in here. So this is what it looks like, guys. On one side, you have your powder and contour brush. On this side, you have your blending sponge. And then when you screw it off, you have a medium shadow brush here. And then on the other side, you have an angled brow / liner brush right there. So this is actually really cute. I will do a first impressions video on this little product here. I do like the little sponge. Be perfect for getting right underneath the eye. This, of course, would be good for blush or highlight. Pretty cool little brush there. And then the next product up comes from Soul Keen, and this is a probiotic balancing cleanser, 100 milliliters of product in here. It says it's a refreshing water-based face cleanser that removes dirt, impurities, and makeup. Probiotics gently clean the skin and lock in moisture and improve skin's smoothness. So there we go right here. Definitely will be adding this in to my routine. I love a good cleanser. Has a seal on it, so I will not open it. But I like a big cleanser because I love to cleanse daily. Well, I guess you should, right? Well, maybe not. I don't know. So next up we have from Araceli, and this is just a pair of lash and brow tweezers, premium stainless steel tweezers with a precision slanted tip. All right, cool. I'll use these probably to apply lashes or something. And then we have from Saturday Skin, this is the Rub-A-Dub Refreshing Peel Gel. Right here, you're gonna cleanse your face and then pat dry, gently apply to face and rub in a circular motion for 1 minute. Rinse with clean, warm water, and it can be used once or twice a week. That's what it's looking like, a little squeezy tube, 75 milliliters of product. Has a safety seal, so I will not open it, but I haven't tried too much stuff from Saturday Skin, but let me know if you've used this product, and we may give it a go. I don't know yet. Let me know. And then last but not least, we have a palette. I haven't said that in so long, y'all. I'm sorry if my light is going in and out, y'all. I hate filming at night now. All right, this is the Defiance Carmella Cosmetics palette. Well, I love the packaging. Sleek black. That's what it looks like. When we open it, girl, we get a mirror. Hey, boo. And these are the shadows. Very pretty neutral palette, beautiful black. They have 3 shimmers and 5 matte shades. Very pretty palette, good for everyday use. I love the color story in here. This is definitely my type of palette, so I'm not mad at it. I think I did choose this in my bag, so I will be putting the one that I get in a giveaway for you guys. All right, that was our last product. Let's do a quick recap. I'm just gonna hold them up really quick. Ooh, girl, I'm dropping everything as usual. So these are the 5 products that we received. And now we're gonna do some final thoughts. Okay guys, so I did forget really quick that they did have 2 little gifts in this bag. So we have the Ipsy, they gave us Ipsy pens right here, which I absolutely love, and then a little notepad to write. So I'll keep this by my desk just to keep notes or whatever. So yes, thanks Ipsy again. So my final thoughts on Ipsy Glam Bag and the Plus was I am always appreciative of Ipsy for sending this to me. Thank Ipsy so much. I really appreciate it. As far as the Glam bag, the regular Glam bag, I do love that I got this mascara. The blush is pretty. I'm gonna use the eye cream, and what else did we get? This little hair, what is this? A hair serum, anti-frizz. I thought it was pretty decent. For $13 a month, the bag is usually your best bet when it comes to Ipsy, because even though they do give you a lot of sample sizes, most of their products are pretty decent in the Ipsy Glam bag. As far as the plus, I am feeling a little bit better about that. I love the fact that we got this palette, this brush. Everybody could use a tweezer. The only thing I'm kind of on the fence about is this Saturday Skin product, a peel. I don't know about that, but I definitely will be using a cleanser. So I thought that the Glam Bag Plus was a little better. I do wish that the choices for Ipsy were a little bit more makeup heavy, because my choices have been a lot of skincare and I like makeup. So I've changed my profile again. So hopefully this time in the bags that I pay for, they will have more makeup products. But I didn't think that the Glam Bag Plus was bad this month. But let me know your thoughts. Let me know your choice products. Did you have a lot of makeup, skincare, or a nice variety of both? I cannot wait to get my plus so I can show you guys what I got. And that's all I have, my loves. So make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if this is a content you like from your girl. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, share the video so people can see that our family is bomb boo. Also, all of my social media links will be down below. Ipsy's link is down below as well if you want to pick it up. And that's all I have, my loves. Until next time and next video, I love you guys so much. Bye.